Hey guys, play a round of dress to impress with me. The theme is fairytale. I'm thinking of doing a garden fairy-inspired look. Let's get started. I'm going to use a lot of the Madolka set because it looks like it's straight out of a fantasy. The glitter and sparkles is such a great addition to the outfit. I'm going to use different shades of green to go along with the garden fairy aspect. Messy layering is always key to outfits like this. It adds texture and just overall looks better. I'm using the New Year's set toggled to skirt and the Madolka gloves toggled to cuffs to give a more fairytale vibe.